Welcome back, my Fremont third graders. Today in math, we're going to be working on some word problems. We are on our SAB page 406, and we're going to be working on subtraction word problems using a number line and the traditional algorithm, and they will be subtraction problems. So let's look at our first one. A milk carton had 500 milliliters of milk in it. Philip poured 89 milliliters into a glass. How much milk is left in a carton? He started with 500. He used 89, and I need to find the difference between those numbers, so I'm going to subtract. I'm going to start with my number line. I'm going to get to my first benchmark number. I'm going to add 1 to get to 90, 10 to get to 100, and then I'm going to add 400 to get to 500. 400 plus 10 plus 1 is 411. Let's check our traditional algorithm, see if we get the same number. 0 minus 9 I can't do. I need to move to my tens. I have no tens. I need to take from my hundreds. Now I have 10 tens, so I can take a 10 and move it over to our ones. Now I have 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 0 is 4. We're talking about milliliters. I'm going to do the abbreviation for milliliters, which is ml. And we'll look at our second problem. A water tank had 300 liters of water in it. Kim used 45 liters to water the garden. How much water is left in the tank? Again, we're starting with 300. She's using 45. I'm going to put my 45 on my number line, my 300. Again, I'm going to get to my first benchmark number. I'm going to add 5 to get to 50. I'm going to add 50 to get to my 100. Then 100 to 300 is 200. I'm going to add those together. 200 plus 50 plus 5 is 255. Let's check using the traditional algorithm. 300 minus 45. 0 minus 5, I can't do it. I have 0 tens. I need to go to my hundreds place. I now have 10 tens. I can decompose a 10 to give 10 ones. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 255, my answers match. We are using liters this time. Make sure I remember to put my label. And our last one for right now, an aquarium had 200 liters of water in it. A small crack appeared and 37 liters leaked out before it was fixed. How much water is still in the aquarium? We have 200, 37 leaked out. Put my 37, my 200. I'm going to write my traditional algorithm up here so I remember I need to check it. $37 plus 3 to give me my benchmark number. 40 plus 60 to get up to my next benchmark of 100. 100 to 200. I'm going to add them together. 100 plus 60 plus 3 is 163. Let's check our traditional algorithm. 0 minus 7 I can't do. I have 0 tens. I decomposed 100 to get 10 tens. Now I have 1 that I can trade for 10 ones. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. This time we're talking about liters. 163 liters. We will be finishing the other two problems on the next video.